pleasure to have you here. Welcome to Sankalp Dahi Handi Mahotsav. इनकी हालत देखिए, ये क्राउड में कूद गए थे. Hats off to you. He is the rock star of the evening. मैं यहाँ पर हर किसी को पूछ रही थी कि क्या अगर आपको मौका मिलेगा तो आप जाना चाहेंगे, but you actually did it. Awesome. How was the experience?
It was amazing. I couldn't control myself. The crowd was so excited. मैं इतना excited हो गया crowd को देख के और मुझे बहुत temptation हो रही थी कि मैं बिल्कुल rockstar style में एक कूद जाऊँ और एक mosh pit locally शुरू कर दूँ. बहुत मज़ा आया. The crowd was loving me and I was loving them and it was a wonderful experience. The energy out there is really just simply electric.
Alright. आपने कभी भी ये दही हांडी का महोत्सव देखा है? Have you ever witnessed this?
Yeah, we used to do it in my nani's compound. Me and a few friends from my nani's building, we used to get together and do our little dahi handi. Of course, it wasn't very not at a height at all. Actually, it just took 3 people and you'd get it. So it was good fun. It reminds me of my childhood. I remember we used to go walk a short distance to actually see the ones that were on a height. Okay. And those guys, like, we used to just watch and clap and admire them. These ones are even crazier. Yes. So yeah, it's amazing. These guys practice.
Money behind this.
How much is it? Do you know?
I'm not too sure, but I've heard 50 lakhs.
That's amazing. That's a huge
Do you want to try
amount.
It next year?
Yeah, I think I will. I would like to be right on the top to hog all the glory, but no, I think I'll be somewhere in the middle.
Okay, so like you said, during your childhood days, you used to on your own level do a little matki photo activity.
The 10 rupees used to be. 10 रुपए होते थे. मुझे नहीं लगती थी. मैं मोटा होता था. मैं मोटा होता था तो मैं एकदम बॉटम पे होता था. सागर करके एक बंदा होता था जिसको हम टॉप पे भेजते थे. बिल्कुल बंदर की तरह था वो. तो he used to be able to climb. He had those skills, climbing skills. So we used to send him up. It's a great memory I have of childhood.
Any Janmashtami song that you know of and anything?
I played my favorites. I made a small CD for these guys and they actually played my favorite songs. Har taraf hai ye shor from Vastav. Rane.
मैं जन्माष्टमी का कोई गाना
देख राजा एक फटकी में मटकी तोड़ के दिखाता है.
Awesome! क्या देख राजा
चांदी की डाल पर सोने का मोर ताक चाक ताक करे नीचे का चोर गेहूं टाक.
हमारे सम्मानीय सचिन भाव और संगीता जी जिनका ये चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट है जो हर साल दही हांडी का महोत्सव करते हैं, उनके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यार, it's amazing the way they organize this at such a mass scale. It's not easy and they do it year after year and they make sure it's a massive success year after year. They have the people support and we support them and they do such a lovely job of connecting us with the people and people come out here in such large numbers and it's like a carnival, man. It's a party. I wish I was invited here every year. I'm sure I'm going to come every year from now on. But it's lovely. It's lovely to be, at this place. It's just the energy of the people is the love and the love, the support, the appreciation. It's amazing. You don't realize it till you come out and actually experience it, firsthand. So it's really been a wonderful experience.
All right. Thank you so much, Ranveer. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Pleasure.
Bye.